Hello guys.
Hello guys.
Wait, I forgot something. Again. Yay. Wait, where's my... Oh my god. Okay, we're playing both games. There is a giant fan towards me. I'm actually serious, right? Like, actually. I got 50 coins. Is that even helpful? Huh? Against upgrades. Did this game update? I hate that red ship, bro. Wait, what did I say? Wait, meow. I'm like eating that. One more help. I'm alive. What's my stats? Oh, my first badge is level 16. I want to hit all the bolts. Yeah, let's go. No, let's not hit that. I almost died there. I just got 2 left. I need that. Are you serious? I don't know why is my voice like this. I can shoot. Top shoot. Hey. What? Are you serious? This is gonna be harder. What? Huh? What? is this? Okay, then if we go back here, there's no. Look, there's no. Huh? I want to get this. Yeah, I actually want to get this. I don't have 500, I have 80. Let's not try go for the pirates. Let's just try to survive. I haven't think about that. If I get some, it's okay. I just have to get coins. Get the coins. I just got 2 pirates. Huh? Why is it a little faster? Okay. Whatever. Let me FB show. BFB 16. Wait, I am. Okay. I think I forgot. Probably nothing. Oh my god. Oh. Bro, literally, let me see the box. Oh my god, this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This has 9, 10. This has 10 green things, whatever they're called. Scrunky. Am I just saying a bunch of words that I don't really know? I know Scrunky, that one musical name that is hiding something. It's pretending to be musical, but it's actually scary. I should put down the voice down because the video is so loud. You can even hear me well at that video. On the hill climbing video, it's so loud. So I think there's a bit. I need this. Yeah. Bro, I literally missed that. Am I close? Yeah. I hate this game. This is frustrating, and I just downloaded this for just 5 stars. I saw this at the App Store like that. Wait, my phone is Samsung, so it should be Google Play. Okay, at Google Play, I saw this. It was 5 stars. I just wanted to see that. Like that. Okay, I just hit 1 pirate. I just got it. Yay! Why I was aiming for that red ship that is supposed to be hit by black boat? No, I don't say that. Get this. Get this. Huh? Oh, I forgot I was recording. I wasn't saying anything in that time. Look at this. Wow. That is not even a real song, so why? Get that potion! Yay! More faster, the better. Wait, better together. get a 7. Plus? So plus it means more? Wow! Oh? 170, 107. It just moved the 7 to the tens. Oh, okay. Finally. Okay, that's it for the video, guys. Bye-bye. You should make to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to see more videos. Bye-bye.